What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with Mikeydailycarry, and today I'm going to be doing some knife unboxings and first impressions for you. So let's dive into that. But first, you guys might be wondering, the shirt, Jabbawockeez? Yes, I used to dance for them over a decade ago. It was an awesome time of my life, but I am now also an affiliate for the Jabbawockeez. So if you go to the Jabbawockeez website, jbwkz.com, and you use MikeyDC at checkout, you get 10% off awesome gear like such. Literally anything on there, you get 10% off. So thank you, Jabbawockeez, for having me as a affiliate. Let's go. But let's go do some unboxing right now. So I got some knives sent to me. Let's use this CRK Zahn to open this bad boy up. Ooh, we got two knives. And so let's see what they are. I think they're actually one of their new knives. All right, so we got two shark cubs. It's an Oz 10A Grivery or Grivery. I don't know, you guys let me know the pronunciation, the correct pronunciation in the comments, but they're both Grivery or Grivery shark cubs. One of them is a slicer shark and the other is a clip point. So thank you, Demko Knives, for sending this out to your boy. And let's see, let's start with this one right here. You always got this case that a little difficult to open it up, but you know, nonetheless, it's fun. All right, so this first one here is, let's see, this is the clip point. All right. Oh, okay. So hold on. So the scale is more contoured on this than the original shark cub that came out with the G10 and the aluminum. So, ooh, okay, nice action. I love it. All right, gotta work on that thumb. God, I just don't got an angle on that, huh? See, because what happens is my thumb gets stuck right there when I open it, and then that's what stops it. So, or I'm just, you know, weak at opening the knife. But you got your shark lock, which is super fun. I want to say Demko Knives is the most fun knives to open and deploy. I mean, there's so many ways to open it. You got your thumb studs, you got the shark lock. Depending on if you have the 80 20.5, you have a hole with the thumb stud and you got the shark lock. Ambidextrous, that's what I absolutely love about their knives, is that they are ambidextrous knives. So if you're a left-hander like me, boom, waka-pow, you got yourself a solid option. Let's check out how slicey it is. So I got this little receipt here. Let me see how slicey that is. Ooh, goes right through, right out of the package. Okay, that's user error. But right out of the package, slicer, okay? Next one we have here is the slicer shark. Speaking of slicing things, come on, work with me. All right, so this one right here has the hole. If you notice, the other one had a thumb stud. This one just has the hole. So, ooh, super fun. That's super fun. The action is phenomenal on that thing. Woo! Drop shut. Shark lock. Okay. A small knife, guys. I don't know the exact dimensions. This is just a first impressions video, but this is how it looks like on my hand. I have like medium-sized hands. That's how it looks like on your boy's hand. But you got yourself the slicer shark, Oz 10A. Both steels are Oz 10. And you have yourself the clip point. So, come on. All right, you got the clip point right there. And you got yourself slicer shark. So, bam, waka-pow, there you go. I am an affiliate for Demko, so I'll make sure I put the link for that in the description down below. I also work with companies such as House of Blades, who sells Demko knives, and if you use MikeyDC10 at checkout, you do get yourself 10% off knives like these. Just dropped it. But you get 10% off knives like these. So moving on to the next package. Let's use this bad boy right here. This one is from Knives Ranch. They actually sell very awesome fixed blades. I did a small review on one of their knives on the channel not too long ago. They are a company out of Texas, but I do want to clarify, I think I said it on my last video. I'm not sure if I was clear on my last video, but these knives are crafted and manufactured in Pakistan. That's where they get all of their Damascus put together. And let's see which ones they sent to me. They have a lifetime warranty, that's good to know. Different care instructions, and Okay, so I don't have the exact ones of which ones these are, but let me show you them. Here's the first one here. The sheath that this comes with is beautifully crafted. I mean, thickums, okay? Thickums. This goes on your belt if you want to carry this appendix. The knife that's on there, it's on there pretty tight. You can get it with one hand. On your person, you know, it comes out like such. And this is what that knife looks like. So this is the first one here. I don't know the names of these exact ones because it didn't come with a sheet like the Demko Knives did, but I'll make sure I link it to the description below, or it'll be somewhere here on the screen. But this is the first one here. The handles, this is all handcrafted. And then that just goes in, boom, like such. Now hand comparison, medium-sized hands. This isn't a big fixed blade. Beautiful in hand, this is what it looks like. Let me compare it to the Slicer Shark. So the Slicer Shark is actually a little bigger than this fixed blade. All right, nice little comparison there. And this is already a small knife. So I'm gonna put this back into here. And then the next one is this one right here. The sheath actually has a belt hole loop right there. I wanna say that's like maybe 1.5 inches. And then you obviously have the option where you can carry this appendix. So let's see which one this, oh wow, look at that. Okay. Again, I don't know the exact names of these. I'll have it down here somewhere. Very affordable knives too. I'm talking about anywhere from $40 to $70 fixed blades. Damascus, they are high carbon steel, so they do require maintenance and they could rust if you don't take care of them appropriately. But nonetheless, there are ways to care for these knives. That's the second one right there. Let me do another knife size comparison to the Slicer Shark. Boom, about the same size from handle to point. Very nice. Has like good ergos. This is how it looks like on my hand. Okay. Boom. Goes into the sheath like such. Just hides in there. So you just got about 1.5 inches of the handle that sticks out there. So still very discreet. And the last one is this one right here. So this one looks like a green burlap micarta handle. I think all of them are actually micarta. This has some blue accents to it. This one has a green, and I think this is the burlap micarta. And this might be their, I think they call it the kale. It's the green. So let's see. Oh, look at that. Right? Same thing. I still get like a 3-finger. If I add a lanyard there, I'll get a good 4-finger kind of grip on this knife. Very sharp, super sharp. Same package here. Yep. Yep. Sharp. Sharp. And that is in this sheath right here. Now this, just like the first one that I showed you all, looks like it has the same type sheath where it doesn't have the little belt hole. It only has the appendix ones where it's ambidextrous. So these are the Knives Ranch knives that I received from Knives Ranch. Came across them on Etsy, reached out, and they were kind enough to send me all of these. I will make sure I do a review of all these knives that I had unboxed, along with the links to where to find them in the description of this video. I do want to say thank you again to Demko and to Knives Ranch for sending this over, and Jabbawockeez. I'm an affiliate for them now, all right? MikeyDC, make sure you use that code because you're gonna get yourself a good deal, all right? And you're gonna help your boy out, you know what I'm saying? But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.